everyone. I'm Sepideh Shokrpour, Director of Coalitions and Community Innovation at Bloomberg Media. And today we are spotlighting how networks are powering the next generation of digital ecosystems, the invisible engine behind transformation. Now, before we dive in, a quick introduction to our speakers. Verizon Business is a leading global communication provider delivering secure connectivity to clients in over 150 countries. And Thames Freeport, the UK's designated free trade zone on the Thames estuary, is driving economic growth and new jobs through next-generation logistics and sustainable innovation. I'm joined by Sanjiv Gossain, Group Vice President and Head of EMEA at Verizon Business, and Stuart, Interim Chief Executive at Thames Freeport. Welcome to you both.
Thank you. Thanks.
Sanjiv, we've already heard about how digital innovation and tech-first strategies are reshaping enterprises. Tell us about how Verizon Business plays a part in this ecosystem.
Sure, thank you very much. I mean, there's been some really interesting things on stage so far today. I think we've all realized that connectivity is fundamental to the way we live, work, and play today. And at Verizon Business, what we're trying to do is work with enterprises like Thames Freeport and others to provide that foundation for digital transformation that they so rely on. And I think whether you're in retail or manufacturing or ports and logistics, as in here, we're really providing that secure foundation for companies to thrive.
Excellent. So connectivity not as plumbing, but as a platform for transformation.
Absolutely.
And Stuart, bring us to site. How is Thames Freeport transforming operations today?
Sure. So we're working across 3 sites with Verizon colleagues at the moment, deploying at London Gateway, at DP World, at the Shokrpour, and at the Ford Motor Company in Dagenham. And we're driving out use cases really in areas such as like optimization, really sort of enabling some of that automation and speeding up some automation, but actually fundamentally AI adoption. I know lots have been talked about that, but forming those use cases really early is critical to that success.
Amazing. Well, that's logistics becoming intelligent. Sanjiv, take us through the partnership. How's Verizon supporting Thames Freeport's transformation?
Well, we're delighted to be selected by Thames Freeport to provide that secure, low-latency connectivity across a site. And the site like that's quite unique. It's over 1,500 acres across the Thames estuary. It requires connectivity in an outdoor and indoor environment. So we're providing that foundation using private 5G, a number of different private 5G radios and sites across that to make sure they have a foundation to work efficiently and effectively, and also so they can advance into other areas like AI and other aspects of it.
Amazing. Sanjiv, you mentioned AI. Where does network connectivity comes into the equation as it comes to AI?
Well, as we're all talking about AI and we're all probably using it on our phones every day and in our homes and offices, it requires a significant amount of bandwidth. It also requires significant low latency as well to really prove that, especially in real-time applications. And so what we're trying to do is provide that connectivity to provide that, to enable AI, because it often gets overlooked. The network is critical to that foundation for a really useful and an excellent user experience.
Amazing. And finally, within a minute on the clock, Stuart, next question for you. Can you share with us any innovative AI projects Thames Freeport has underway?
We've got loads of exciting innovation projects around AI adoption, not only deployment of kind of infrastructure, which we'll do some announcements shortly around, but actually around the innovation programs in health, in transforming public services, continuing our work around ports and logistics to make sure that really we're making all those use cases come to life over the next sort of 12 months. So lots of exciting stuff for us.
Amazing, and can't wait to dive into those. Well, Sanjiv, Stuart, thank you so much for your time. And to see that story in motion, let's roll out film from Verizon Business and Thames Freeport. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In this series, I want to find out which technologies will actually deliver the most competitive advantage. Let's go inside the Office of Innovation.
What sort of impact is 5G going to have on what you're able to do here?
It propels us into the next generation of efficiency and safety and security.
It means that you can actually be more competitive because now you're able to increase the volume of trade that comes in and out of a port such as this.